Hello, hello friends. I'm Anish Desai. Welcome back to my channel, Maths Genius. Today's topic is very interesting one. Question on this is asked regularly in various competitive exams. This topic is work and man. Let us see the question today. Today's question: 12 men can complete a piece of work in 36 days. 8 women can complete the same piece of work in 60 days. 8 men and 20 women work together for 20 days. If only women were to complete the remaining piece of work in 4 days, how many women would be required? So, in this question, we see that uh, 12 men can complete the work in 36 days. So let's find out the rate at which one man can complete the work in one day. How much work can be completed by one man in one day? So it is 1 upon 12 into 36. This will give me the rate of one man doing a work in one day. Amount of work done by one man in one day. Okay. Similarly, 1 upon 18 into 60, 18 into 60 will give me the work of one woman in one day. So, furthermore, you can see that 8 men and 20 women are working together for 20 days. So, this is the rate of men working, this is the rate of women working. Now we know that 8 men are working for 20 days. 8 men are working for 20 days. At what rate? At rate of 12 into 36. So this will be the work done by man. Okay. This will be the work done by 8 men in 20 days. Okay. Now let's find out the work done by 20 women. Similarly, 20 into 20 upon its rate. So 18 into 60. Add these two, we'll get the total work done in 20 days. Okay. Let us see the solution till then. Okay, work done by one man in one day is given by 1 upon 12 upon 20, 30, 12 into 30, 36 as I have shown before. This is the rate. Okay, is equal to rate. Okay, this work done by 8 women in 20 days is 8 upon uh, it is 8 people are working 20 days and upon rate, so it gives 10 upon 27. Next, women's rate we have to calculate. It is 1 upon 18 into 30 into 60. Next, we have to calculate the work done by 20 women in 20 days. Will be 20 upon 20 upon 18 upon 60. Let's check the calculation here. 8, 8 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are this. Let's consider it by 4 again. So this will be 5 and this is 9. 5 2s are 10 and 3 9s are 27. This now let's calculate for this. Let's cancel it by 2 itself and we'll get 10 here and this will be 9. This 21s are and 23s are. So 9 into 3, 10 upon 27 again. Same result. Same. Okay. Next, total work done will be the addition of 8 men working for 20 days and 20 women working for 20 days. So total work done is 10 upon 27 plus 10 upon 27 is equal to 20 upon 27. Next, we have to find the remaining work. So it will be 1 minus 20 upon 27. So 7 upon 27. Next, let us see where this equation came from. It is said that rest of the work is done by women. So 18 upon 60, 1 upon 18 upon 60 it is. This is the rate of women working, and this is the work remaining, right? And it is said that they work for the remaining 4 days, and number of women is asked. So 18 upon 60 will give you the rate, 1 upon 18 upon 60, okay, it is the rate, and 7 upon 27 is the remaining work done, work remaining, sorry, and 4 days is required to complete the work. Okay, so we get x equal to 70. Let's see the calculation, check the calculation again. Let's cut this by 3, this by 2, 9 2s are 9 3s are 9 3s are 27. So then let's cut this 1 this 20, right? And this 1s are 1, then 2 1s are, and 2 10s are. So 7 into 10, so 70. Answer is correct. Okay. So the remaining work can be done by 70 women in 4 days. That's your answer. Hope you understood this question. Please like, comment and share this video, and please consider subscribing this channel for more such videos, and also click on bell icon for further notification on this channel. Before I go, let me put a motivational factor from that I remember from Suits, the TV series. Just don't make excuses when the other side plays the game. Remember that, and be well. Thank you.